And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:44. It is warm and humid outdoors. You're going to feel that humidity the second you step out there. Our dew point values are in the upper 60s and low 70s, just like the temperatures. Good morning to you in Rio Grande City. You're waking up at 69 degrees. It's also 69 here in Weslaco and in Harlingen, 68 in Brownsville, Port Isabel, as well as Raymondville, 71 in McAllen, and 72 degrees to start your day in Edinburgh. Now we're seeing mainly cloudy skies with a few breaks to allow for some sunshine, and there's even some patchy fog out there. Right now, Edinburgh and McAllen seeing the patchiest fog. It has improved since this morning. About an hour ago, we had 2 miles visibility. Now we're up to about 4 miles up I-69C going from McAllen into Edinburgh. Everywhere else between 7 and 10 miles. The reason why these areas are seeing that patchy fog development is because of the ample moisture left over from yesterday's rain. Get ready because it's coming back this afternoon. It's one of those days where you need to make sure you have an umbrella or a rain jacket of some sort with you because it looks like today the rain is going to be a little bit more widespread. Temperatures for the most part will warm up from 70 to 78 by noon. Notice we're still in the upper 70s for your drive time home. We're briefly going to reach 80, but with any shower or thunderstorm that develops, it'll keep temperatures mainly in the 70s. Now, we also have a flash flood watch in place for the entire valley starting at 9 this morning until 9 o'clock this evening. The reason for that is because of all of that water sitting on the ground yesterday. Some areas got 2 to 5 inches of rain. So with more heavy rain in the forecast, that could add up very quickly and it could flood all over again. So here we go. Start the clock at 6 this morning and we'll start to see some showers and even maybe a thunderstorm right around 10 or 11. Now looking at the activity, notice that it's a bit more widespread this afternoon. There's actually going to be some areas. I mean, it lights up very quickly on this particular model across the mid, upper, and even portions of the lower valley are going to get some very heavy rain at times this afternoon. So with that passing shower or thunderstorm, you can also expect gusty winds and even some lightning embedded in there. We have a lot of moisture streaming into South Texas, and it's courtesy of a mid-level disturbance that you see here on the map. I'm going to show you how it moves into the forecast using Future Track again. This is going to actually move a little bit closer, and it's going to keep the moisture content high, and our instability is going to be high in the atmosphere. So that rockiness we need for the showers and thunderstorms to develop, it's definitely there. It's going to stay that way through Saturday, and then this cold front is actually going to drape down into Texas. It'll move through early Sunday morning. It could linger close by, so we're going to keep rain chances pretty high for the first half of Sunday with gradual improvement from there. On the water today, there are no advisories, but mariners, if with any passing shower or thunderstorm, it could make conditions pretty nasty out there. We'll have a light chop otherwise on the bay with seas at 2 to 4 feet. Again, no advisories. Today at the island, 75 degrees for your forecast high, 78 in Brownsville, 79 in Harlingen and Raymondville, to the lower 80s in the mid to upper valleys. So it looks like one of those days that with ample cloud cover and showers, temperatures will stay more around average for this time of year. Overnight, it's not going to be as active. Low temperatures will stay in the upper 60s with mainly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, there come the showers and thunderstorms again, 81 degrees there, and then we drop to 71 behind that front on Sunday. So we do have a cooler start to next week, but the good news for spring breakers is that we're going to see a good amount of sunshine as we head into next week. Temperatures will rise from the mid 70s to the upper 70s by Wednesday. By Thursday, there is a small chance for rain, but those rain chances are less than 10%, and we're back in the lower 80s for your daytime highs. Upper 60s the next couple of nights, and then mid to lower 50s by night all the way until Wednesday night, where we go back up to the low 60s. That's your updated First Warn 5 for